Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Solana network on MetaMask. In order to do this, first of all, launch your web browser and in the search bar, just simply search for solflare.com/metamask. Once done, you will be land on this Solflare where you just have to scroll down and on the home page, you are going to see the option of get started. So you need to click on get started and then you will be landed on the next page where you are going to see this prompt which says that you can enter Solana with MetaMask Snap. So you are about to install the Solana Snap which allows you to manage Solana tokens, NFTs and connect to Solana apps. So you will have to press continue and then you will have to press continue again and then simply tap on this connect MetaMask. Then the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you which will ask you to provide your password. So just simply enter your password here and then simply tap on this unlock. And after waiting for some time it will ask you to approve. So you just have to scroll down and then click on accept and then click on connect. After that it will ask you to install the Solana wallet. So you will have to click on install and you just have to check it and then confirm. Now after waiting for some time you will notice that you have successfully installed Solana wallet. So you will have to press OK and on this page you will have to press continue and then click on enter Solana. This way you will be able to easily use Solana on your MetaMask. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.